Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Now we are going to solve one coding problem. It's a palindromic string. You are provided with a string of numbers. Check whether it is palindrome or not. If it is not a palindrome, then reverse the string, add it to the original string and check again it is palindrome or not. You are required to repeat the process until it becomes palindrome. So find the length of palindromic string. So this is the example. The input is 1. Check it is palindrome or not. Yes, it is palindrome. 1 equals to 1. True. So what is the length of this? 1. So coming to here, 145. So 145 is not palindrome. What we can do? 145. So what is the reverse of this string? 5, 4, 1. We can add here 5, 4, 1. 6, 8, 6. Again you can check it is palindrome or not. Yes, it is palindrome. So what is the length of 686? 3. So now you can see the program. So in this case, what is the n value? N equals to 145. So while true, we can execute these instructions until it becomes palindrome. So repeat the process until it becomes palindrome. So always the while is true. So what is the n value? N equals to 145. Equals to. So how we can represent the reverse of a string? By using n colon minus 1. That means 145 now becomes 5, 4, 1. So both are the same? No. So go to else part. So what we can do? Otherwise, if it is not palindrome, then reverse the string. So now, so what is the string reverse? So 5, 4, 1. Add it to the original string. What is the original string? 1, 4, 5. We convert these two into integer. Why? Because these are strings. So if we can convert and we get 686. That is stored in P. Now we convert the P into string stored in N. So again we go to here. So what is the N now? 686. So what is the reverse? 686. Yes, both are the same. So the string is palindrome and enter into this block. Print length of n. What is the length here? 3. So the output is 3. After that we can print break here. After the printing the length of that n, we can break from this loop. I hope you all are understand the palindromic string. Now we are going to see the execution of the program. One, 4, 5, 3.